If you want to export only a specific part of your video in CapCut, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you the easiest way to mark a section of your timeline and export just that clip without saving the entire project. This is perfect when you only need one scene, one moment, or a short segment for social media, a client file, or a quick share. If this video helps you out, go ahead and hit like, subscribe for more CapCut tutorials, and let's jump right in. First, open your project in CapCut and go to the timeline. Find the exact frame where you want your exported clip to begin. You can drag the playhead carefully until it lands on the right spot. Once you've found the starting point, press the I key on your keyboard. That sets your in point, which tells CapCut this is where the export should begin. Next, move the playhead to the exact frame where you want your clip to end. Again, try to be as precise as possible so you get the clean section you want. When you're at the ending frame, press the O key on your keyboard. That sets your out point, which marks the end of the section you want to export. After that, take a second to verify your selection. You should see a highlighted range or blue sliders showing your active export zone. This is your confirmation that CapCut has recognized a portion you want to keep. If anything looks off, just adjust the playhead and set the in and out points again until the range is correct. A good tip here is to press the spacebar and play through the timeline before exporting. This lets you preview the exact section you've marked so you can make sure the clip starts and ends where you intended. It only takes a few seconds and it can save you from exporting the wrong section and having to repeat the process. Once you're happy with the selection, click the export button in the top right corner of CapCut. CapCut will automatically respect your active markers and only render the isolated segment instead of the whole timeline. That means you can export just the part you need, which is faster and much more efficient. If you don't see the result you expected, double check that your in point and out point are set correctly and that the right clip is selected on the timeline. Sometimes the smallest mistake in placement can change what gets exported, so precision matters. And that's it. You now know how to export a specific part of a video in CapCut using the in and out point method. This is one of the fastest ways to cut down export time and get exactly the segment you want. If this helped, please remember to like the video, subscribe for more easy editing tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.